Are you drowning in email? Outlook's focused inbox helps you organize your messages and cut through the noise. In this video, I'll show you what it is, why messages land in the other folder, how to customize the focused inbox, and how to turn it off. The Outlook focused inbox splits your inbox into two tabs. We have focused and other. So focused is for emails that Outlook thinks are important. Other is for less critical or lower priority messages. Outlook uses AI to learn from your behavior, what you open, reply to, and interact with, to decide where messages belong. And don't worry, nothing is deleted or hidden. Everything still arrives. It's just organized differently. Here I'm in Classic Outlook, and we see the same type of organization here in Outlook on the web. So why would you use the focused inbox? Well, first, it helps you stay organized by keeping important emails front and center. Second, it saves time by reducing the visual clutter. So, fun fact, in earlier versions of Outlook, this filtering feature was called clutter. And third, the focused inbox is adaptable, so you can move emails between focused and other, and Outlook learns from your choices. The more you use it, the better it gets. So what typically ends up in other? Common examples include newsletters and subscriptions, group or bulk emails, promotional emails, automated notifications. In other words, messages that are usually less urgent or less personal. So in Classic Outlook, if you see an email in other that really belongs in focused, it's easy to fix. Or if you see something in focus that you'd rather have it be in other, you can move it. This message is really more of a newsletter. I'll right-click on it, and I could say either move to other or always move to other, which I'll do, and confirm. Future newsletters like this will go to other. This is one of the easy ways to make focused inbox work for you. You're able to communicate which messages are in the right place. And if I had something in other that I wanted it to be in focused, I could right-click and you can see those same options. But what if you don't want the focused inbox? What if you prefer to see all your messages in one list? It's easy to turn that off. From Classic Outlook, or sometimes known as the Windows Desktop app, we go to View, and in the ribbon, here you see the option, Show Focused Inbox. I'll simply toggle that off. Now when it's unchecked, your inbox shows all your messages together. In Classic Outlook, they're now also organized between all and unread. To change the setting in Outlook on the web or New Outlook, instead look for the gear in the upper right-hand corner, or you can choose Settings from the View tab, and here's the option. Sort messages into focused or other, or don't sort messages. And then save your changes. And now everything appears in a single inbox. So now you know what the focused inbox does, why it can be helpful, and how you can turn it off if it's just not your style. For more Outlook productivity tips or to join my free tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarePro.com/Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel for other time-saving Microsoft 365 tips. Thanks for watching.